Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted destination for in-depth, no-nonsense reviews of the best tools and products on the market. Today, we're diving into what is truly one of the best stamping ink pad sets available right now, the IMARK Large Stamp Pad. If you're into crafting, journaling, DIY projects, or office organization, this vibrant, versatile, and impressively sized ink pad is worth every second of your attention. Let's start with what sets this product apart: vibrant color payoff. The moment you press a stamp into this pad and transfer it onto paper, wood, or even fabric, you'll see why so many people rave about it. The ink is rich and deeply pigmented, delivering strong, clear impressions without that washed-out look you get from cheaper alternatives. Whether you're using rubber stamps or silicone ones, the color adheres beautifully and doesn't bleed, making it perfect for detailed designs and text. The size of this pad is another win. Measuring 3.50 by 6.25 inches, it's significantly larger than most standard ink pads, which gives you the freedom to use bigger stamps or even coat multiple stamps at once. That's especially helpful for those of you who do bulk stamping for event invites, packaging, or branding. No more awkwardly moving your stamp around trying to get full coverage. One press and you're good to go. Now let's talk versatility. The IMARK ink pad isn't just limited to paper. You can use it on wood, fabric, cardboard, and more. If you're making custom t-shirts, tote bags, or personalized wooden crafts, this ink pad handles it all. It dries relatively quickly on most surfaces, so you're not left waiting around or worrying about smudging your work. Another subtle but important detail is how well sealed the pad is. The case snaps shut securely, which helps maintain the ink's moisture over time. You won't open it a week later only to find it dried out. It's built to last, both in terms of ink longevity and physical durability. The case is tough enough to survive being tossed into a crowded craft drawer or art bag without cracking. As a bonus, the ink pad is easy to clean off your stamps with just a bit of water or a basic stamp cleaner, so you're not dealing with stains or residue sticking around for the next color. That's a big plus for those who like to switch up their palettes often. Whether you're a teacher making classroom visuals, a small business owner branding your packaging, or a hobbyist putting together holiday cards, the IMARK Large Stamp Pad will elevate the quality and consistency of your work. If you've been on the fence about upgrading your stamp pad, this is your sign. The IMARK doesn't just perform, it over-delivers. Clean impressions, bold color, wide compatibility, and a size that makes it super practical. It's no surprise this pad is quickly becoming a favorite among both amateur and professional crafters. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more honest takes on the best creative tools out there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a deep dive like this one. Thanks for watching, and keep creating.